Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello, everyone, and hello, Nexo. This is a vocabulary lesson.
Hello, Emma. I am happy to learn.
Today we will learn words from this category. Drinks, with words like water and milk.
That sounds useful, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Words. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Phrases. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes. Emma, I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the words.
Great. I will listen carefully. Drinks. Water. Water. Milk. Milk. Orange juice. Orange juice. Coffee. Coffee. Tea. Tea. Soda. Soda. Lemonade. Lemonade. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Smoothie. Smoothie. Milkshake. Milkshake. Coconut water. Coconut water. Iced tea. Iced tea. The words are clear.
Now we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary learned. Nexo, match the image with the correct word.
Orange juice. Milk. Iced tea. Water. What is this? Water. What is this? Milk. What is this? Orange juice. Soda. Coffee. Tea. Hot chocolate. What is this? Coffee. What is this? Tea. What is this? Soda. Orange juice. Hot chocolate. Lemonade. Smoothie. What is this? Lemonade. What is this? Hot chocolate. What is this? Smoothie.
iced tea,
smoothie, milkshake,
coconut water,
what is this? Milkshake, what is this?
coconut water,
What is this?
iced tea.
How was the quiz, Nexo? Now, let's hear the vocabulary in context.
It was good. I am ready for sentences.
Drinks,
Water,
I drink water. I drink water. Milk, the milk is cold. The milk is cold. Orange juice, I want orange juice. I want orange juice. Coffee, the coffee is hot. The coffee is hot. Tea, she drinks tea. She drinks tea. Soda, he has a soda. He has a soda. Lemonade, the lemonade is sweet. The lemonade is sweet. Hot chocolate, I like hot chocolate. I like hot chocolate. Smoothie, this smoothie is red. This smoothie is red. Milkshake, the milkshake is big. The milkshake is big. Coconut water, coconut water is fresh. Coconut water is fresh. Iced tea, I see iced tea. I see iced tea.
Now, it is time for quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
I will choose the correct sentence.
I drink water.
A.
The milk is cold.
C.
I want orange juice.
A.
The coffee is hot.
A.
She drinks tea.
B.
He has a soda.
A.
The lemonade is sweet.
C.
I like hot chocolate.
C.
This smoothie is red. C. The milkshake is big.
A.
Coconut water is fresh.
A.
I see iced tea.
A.
Good job. This is the end of the lesson. Goodbye, listeners. Please continue with the next lesson. This class was useful.
Thank you, Emma. I liked the drink words.